Hello everybody, thank you very much for joining me on this short and instructional tutorial video. Today I'm super excited to be here with us. I'll be talking about Skillznet. That's the amazing opportunity that has come to change the face of learning across the globe. As we all know that this is the 21st century, as we all know that things are no longer the same way it used to be, and the good news I have for us is that things are currently changing, and definitely we need to change with this. Okay, globally positioned to educate, that is Skillznet. You are going to be globally positioned in such a way that you get educated from this wonderful platform called Skillznet. And the good news I have for us all is that it's quite new, fresh, and it means that you and I are currently going to be the pioneer members of this wonderful company. In the meantime, today's tutorial video, I will just be showing us live and direct how anyone can come on this platform as a registered member, as an affiliate. Okay, guess what guys, the benefit of you becoming a partner or you becoming a member or affiliate of this wonderful platform called Skillznet is that you have an opportunity to learn skills. You have this opportunity to learn a new skill and become self-reliant. Okay, so let's go straight to my back office so that I can show you some of the few things you'll be able to learn on this platform. We have Forex Trading, digital marketing, dropshipping, blogging, e-commerce with Woocommerce, content marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimizer, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, YouTube marketing, search engine marketing, and email marketing. Guess what guys, this is just the first batch of learning from this wonderful platform. And guess what guys, you're going to be learning from world-class professionals that have over the times gotten a lot of success story from this industry. So in the meantime, in this tutorial video, I'll be showing us live and direct how a new member can jump on this platform from anywhere you are across the globe, and also leverage on the system, because the system does not just only teach you or show you a skill, it also position you into a wealth generating system where you and I have an opportunity to become a millionaire within the shortest possible time. Guess what guys, let's go straight to my back office so I can show us one or two things about how to get ourselves registered on this wonderful platform. In the meantime, as we can see, this is my dashboard. I'm just few hours old in this company, so if you're new, if you're watching this video right now, I would like you guys to jump on board and get started as fast as possible. So everybody signed up on the platform as his or her own unique referral link. So that's all you need to copy in order for you to register a new member. So this tutorial video, I'll be showing you live and direct how to register a new member on this wonderful platform. All right, so the moment you copy this particular link, you go to your browser, you open a new browser, then you paste it there. It can be done on your mobile phone, your Android devices, your iPhones, or your laptop like I'm doing. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to click on enter, then to open the form for you. It's a very simple, user-friendly form. Okay, so your package is $10. That is the entry point for anybody here. You can come on board with just $10 to access all this world-class quality training materials at the back office of Skillznet. Guys, this is amazing. So the next thing you want to do is click on your first name, okay, then the last name, then you choose the username. So you input the username, then you input the email address, okay, correctly, then the mobile number correctly. Then there are two types of password here. We have the regular password which you can use to log into your account, and we have something called the transaction password. The transaction password is anytime you're doing the transaction, that is what you use to authorize your payment. Okay, it's like a second security level of password for you to just secure your account the more. So the first password, I'm going to be choosing some set of figures for that. Is alphanumeric. Okay, then here you can also select your own transaction password as well. So once that is done, then go ahead and read the terms and conditions, and then click on I have read the terms and conditions. Then you click on continue. So the moment you click on continue, guess what, guys? This is an amazing part of this video right now, because I'm so excited that anybody from anywhere across the globe can join this wonderful platform. It is not just an ordinary platform, but it's a world-class platform. You can sign up using your registration wallet. That is, if you have wallet in your back office, you can use that to sign up a new member. You can sign up using your ATM cards for your local banks. You can sign up using Flutterwave. If you're outside the country, anywhere you are outside the country, you can sign up using Flutterwave as a means of payment. You can sign up with your USSD through Pay, and you can also pay with Bitcoin, the various coins that we have, Bitcoin, USDT, you know. So this is unique, guys. So there's no excuse for you not to come on board on this platform. It's quite unique and amazing, and I'm so excited to be a partner with this. I'm so excited to be presenting this opportunity to you. So in the meantime, I'll be paying with my registration wallet, because from my account, as you can see, I have some few dollars there. So click on registration wallet, then it will redirect you to input the transaction password for that particular wallet. Okay, so what it's asking me to do is to input the password of the wallet where I have the $10 I want to use for activation, which I have done right now. So just click on pay. The moment you click on pay, it asks you not to refresh the page, just open the page in front of you, and then be patient. As you can see, the account is activated, and I have my learning center right here in front of me. I can start learning these various skills: blogging, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, trading, and the likes. So guys, there's no excuse for you not to be on this platform. It's a platform that is enabling, that is going to be generating a lot of information for us in this 21st century, guys. And it's a platform that has come to stay. You learn dropshipping, learn blogging, e-commerce, content marketing, affiliate marketing, and the likes on this wonderful platform. So on that note, I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. Good news for us all is that you'll be getting information from my YouTube channel as they unveil from this wonderful platform. As I told you all earlier on, that it's currently at the pre-launch stage, which means that we are going to be launching anytime from now. But guess what, guys? We've started making money from this platform on a daily basis. So wherever you are across the globe, just come on board, watch those videos, get yourself signed on board as fast as possible. Cut positioning in opportunities like this. Note, delay is dangerous. So thank you very much. There's going to be a subscribe button below this video where you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates about how to make legit money online, especially in this 21st century. So please feel free to click the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon behind it, so that you can get more information and I can get more algorithms for my YouTube channel to get more and more people to watch this video. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.